Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different angles worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets and we'll be asked to name different angles according to the size of the angles or according to their position. Now if you're not sure what to do here, there is a lesson on this very topic, and on the last slide it will ask you to click on a link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's see what we're after here. Number one, we have to name each of the following angles. So for the first example, we see this angle here. Now have a look at the size of this angle in your mind. Put an approximation of what you think the size of that angle is, and then you can name it. Okay, so that's what the lesson's about. Number two, you can also see this angle. Now clearly, just by looking at it, it's larger than that angle, so this has a particular name. The third one, it's very clear what this angle is, but what is the name of it? Over here, it's clear to see that that's a straight line, and there's the angle here. What is that called? This green angle here, which is formed by those two rays, so it's the larger section. So you have there and there, but it's actually the larger section, and we'll pretend it's 230 degrees. What is that angle called? This one here, that starts from there and goes all the way around and finishes there. So have a look at it and see if you know what that's called. Over here we have a ray there and there. Sorry, there, it's just intervals really. So they don't actually have to be rays, but that's an interval and that's an interval. So we have an angle there and there, and we know that that sign means that we have 90 degrees between this interval here and this one. But the two angles add up to 90. So what's the name of the angles? How are they named with respect to each other? And that's in the lesson. When we have two angles that add up to 180 degrees, there and there, what are those angles called? Because they both add up to 180 degrees. These angles here are next to each other, and they share this common arm here, or this common ray. What are they called? And here we have angles, the green angle there and there, and the pink, I think it is, angle there and there. They're formed by those two lines. What are they called? For example, what are the two green angles called? What are the two pink angles called? So this video has given us some very basic worksheets where we're asked to name angles according to their position or their size. If you're not sure what to do, there is a lesson on this particular topic. So on the next slide there is a link, and if you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.